If you own a home in Sterling Heights, you know how important your gutters are. They protect your roof, siding, and foundation from water damage. But like any part of your house, gutters can develop problems over time. Understanding these common gutter issues can help you catch them early and avoid expensive repairs later on. One of the biggest gutter problems homeowners face is clogging. Leaves, twigs, and debris can easily build up inside the gutters, especially in the fall. When your gutters are clogged, rainwater cannot flow through them properly. Instead, water overflows and spills down the sides of your home, potentially damaging your siding, soil, and even your foundation. Regular cleaning or installing gutter guards can help prevent this issue. Another common problem is gutter leaks. Over time, seams in sectional gutters may separate or holes can develop from rust or corrosion. Even a small leak can lead to big trouble if water starts seeping into your walls or basement. If you notice dripping or water stains around your gutters, it's best to repair leaks right away before they get worse. Improper gutter pitch is another issue that many Sterling Heights homeowners run into. Gutters need to be slightly angled to guide water toward the downspouts. If they are installed incorrectly or sag over time, water will pool instead of draining away. Standing water adds extra weight, which can cause gutters to pull away from your house. You might see water spilling over the edges even when there isn't a clog. That's a sure sign your gutters aren't pitched properly. Loose or detached gutters are also a frequent problem. Heavy storms, ice buildup, or years of wear and tear can loosen the fasteners that hold your gutters in place. When gutters start to pull away from your roofline, water cannot drain as it should, and the gutter itself may eventually fall. Checking the gutter brackets and having them re-secured or replaced can keep your system stable and safe. Downspout issues are another headache for many homeowners. Sometimes downspouts get clogged or crushed, preventing water from draining properly. In other cases, downspouts discharge water too close to the foundation, leading to basement leaks or soil erosion. It's important to make sure your downspouts are clear and extend far enough from your home, ideally 4 to 6 feet, to protect your foundation. Lastly, many homeowners overlook the damage ice can cause to gutters. In Michigan, winter means ice dams are a real concern. When melting snow refreezes at the roof edge, it can back up under your shingles and into your gutters. Ice is heavy, and if it builds up inside your gutters, it can cause them to bend, crack, or pull away completely. Keeping your attic properly insulated and ventilated can help prevent ice dams from forming. Overall, routine gutter inspections and maintenance are key to avoiding these common problems. It's a good idea to check your gutters at least twice a year, usually in the spring and fall. Look for signs of sagging, leaks, or clogs, and address small issues before they become major ones. If you aren't comfortable working on a ladder, hiring a professional gutter service is a safe and smart option. They can clean, repair, and even upgrade your gutter system so you can rest easy knowing your home is protected. Your gutters are an important part of keeping your Sterling Heights home safe and dry. By staying on top of maintenance and recognizing these common gutter problems, you can save yourself stress, time, and money in the long run.